Wait a minute. Hello everyone. I am audible and I am visible also. Please anyone let me know. Anyone give me response. I am visible and screen is visible or not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the first lecture. Okay, I think you don't know me. Okay, in last semester I have taught to BEB division. Okay, and subject is construction engineering management and construction practices. But this semester I am going to teach you the air and noise pollution and control. Okay, so firstly I am introducing myself. Okay, I am Urmila Vithalrao Gulgane. I am from basically I am from Nagpur, and I have completed my graduations from in civil engineering from Amravati University, and I have done my MTech in construction management from D.Y. Patel College of Engineering, Pune. Okay, so and from last 6 months, I'm here. So in this semester, you have totally 3 professional elective course, and out of 3, there is one professional elective course is air and noise pollution and air control. Okay, and control. So before starting our actual syllabus, could you give your introduction? Okay, so I think out of how many total strength काय आहे तुमच्या क्लासची? On your videos, I have to interact each and every student. Okay, because you don't know, and also I don't know you. If there is no interaction, so how can I teach you very well? Okay, so if possible, just start your videos. Tanya Sadgar,
Yes, ma'am.
start your videos. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tanya Ravindra Sadgar. I'm studying a final year. I'm from Pollutants.
Okay. Thank you. Next. Kavanjali. Next, Shraddha Survase. Nandita Devmare. Ganesh Bagal.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Nandita Devmare.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Nandita Basvechar Devmare. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay. Fastly, one by one, please introduce yourself. Then I have to explain also the syllabus. Okay, then A56. What is the name? Pool. Mr. Pool, yeah, Mrs. Pool, Miss Pool, I don't know. It's Sadiq Ali. Okay. Let's move towards the syllabus. Okay. So in this semester, you have totally 3 elective courses, and out of these, one is air and noise pollution and control. Okay. So and the course code is CV 421. Everyone note that the code of this subject is CV 421. 1. Okay, and this subject has credit is 4, and the practicals also has given to this subject. Okay, and ISC is 30 marks and ESC is 70 marks. Oral exam also has this subject 25 marks, and ICA. Okay, 25 marks. Everyone knows ICA based on the assignments, quizzes, and unit test. Okay, that is based on your chapter. Okay, then these are the course outcome of this subject. Generally, before starting the course outcomes, I have to just inform you that why this subject is important in civil engineering courses. Okay, everyone, when we talk about the civil engineering, we only think about the concrete, cement, then structural engineering, structures, then load, and then design. Everyone only focus on this particular subject. But whenever in the case of environment, we just note down that this subject is very important. That is air and noise pollution and how it comes to the control. Okay, everyone know that being an engineer, it's our responsibility to overcome the problems which are facing by the society. Okay, which are facing by the society and which are facing uh, by the elders people who are living in the society. Okay, so being an engineer, we have the first task that we should uh, analyze when we should analyze the problem, then design the solution and give to the society. Okay, so basically why this subject is in our course, is in our civil engineering. Everyone know that our civil engineering has different branches also. Okay, so one of them branches is important in environmental engineering. Okay, so this subject is very important in environmental engineering. Okay, it's just a small part of that environmental engineering. When you go through the master course in environmental engineering, you will know that this subject is very important while doing the PG courses. Okay, so whenever you go for the ME courses, uh, you have certain idea about the air and noise pollution. Okay, so या कोर्समध्ये तुम्हाला एक जनरल आयडिया मिळेल, पण जेव्हा तुम्ही पीजी कोर्ससाठी जाल त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला एक ज्यांना कोणाला इन्व्हायरमेंटल इंजिनिअरिंग करायची त्यासाठी हा कोर्स तिथे बेनिफिशियल आहे. ऑल्सो दिस कोर्स इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द गव्हर्नमेंट एक्झाम्स when because everyone knows that environmental engineering this course very play very important role in various governmental exam also. Okay, so then आपण बघूया course outcomes. Okay, there are totally 5 course outcomes has given in this course. That is first course outcomes is proper understanding about the various air pollutants, their source of generation, their impacts, their effect on human, plants, and environment and materials. Okay, so uh, we have we have focused on the subject on the title of subject, that is air and noise pollution and its control. Okay, the subject the title itself shows that the whole story of this syllabus. Okay, air and noise pollution. Okay, means whole syllabus is based on the air and noise pollution related activities, control, and then management system, and then design part, and the solutions and the causes. All these subjects are only related with the air and noise pollution. Okay, so everyone note that air and noise pollution is based, all the syllabus is based on air and noise pollution only, and its solution at the various engineering applications which are used for controlling the air and noise pollution. Okay, so mainly first outcomes mainly focused on proper understanding about the various air pollutants. Okay, what is meant by air pollutants? We'll see in next lecture. Their source of generation, where from it is originated, their impacts on whom, human, plants, environment, and materials. Okay, so air pollutants, source of generation, their impacts, their harmful impacts. Okay, their effect on human, plants, environment, and materials. Let me know that am I visible to everyone?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Then second outcome is apply knowledge of meteorology for controlling air pollution and design air pollution controlling equipment. So firstly, what is meteorology? It is nothing but the study of earth environment. Okay, earth structure. Okay, meteorology is nothing but the study of earth structure. Okay, so firstly, we should know the earth structure, we should know the atmospheric structure, we should know the how the gases are formed in the atmosphere and it is affected to the air pollution. Okay, so second outcomes is related to the meteorology is nothing but the study of various fundamental importance of earth for controlling air pollution and design air pollution controlling equipment. And also, am I audible to everyone? If a voice is breaking, so let me just know that. ओके, जर काही माझा व्हॉइस ब्रेक झाला तर मला जस्ट मध्या मध्यात तुम्ही सांगत जा की आवाज व्यवस्थित येत नाहीये मॅम वगैरे. Okay, so this is related with the earth and atmospheric conditions and how we using the controlling equipments. Okay, so second outcomes is related with the design air pollution controlling equipments. Then third is apply knowledge of legislation for prevention and control of air pollution. Okay, so legislation is nothing but the laws. Okay, so increasing the air pollution day by day, and it will goes very harmful to the human health, animals health, plants, and also for the increasing the global warming and the climate change. So for controlling those effects, the government and the various bodies of governments and also various countries also, okay, focus the legislation part. Legislation is nothing but the laws. Okay, so there are so many laws related with the air pollution control uh, for the prevention of air pollution and how it is controlled. So there are basically various laws which will have seen in our syllabus whenever we start our syllabus thoroughly. So third outcomes is apply knowledge of legislation, that is the laws for prevention and control of air pollution. Then fourth one is knowledge to analyze quality of air in the form of air quality index and dispersion modeling. Okay, so knowledge to analyze quality of air in the form of air quality index. आता air quality index म्हणजे काय होते, एक प्रकारची सिस्टीम असते air quality index. ओके, त्या सिस्टीम वरून ती सिस्टीम पब्लिकला for example, we are the public, okay, we are the people, so we don't know about the atmospheric condition, means we don't know about the air pollutants, how what is the amount of air pollution present in our atmosphere and how it gets polluted that atmosphere whenever the air pollution is increased in abundance amount. That time air quality index is nothing but the one of the system which warns the people that the atmosphere is in not the good condition for our health. Okay, so air quality index ही प्रकारची सिस्टीम असते जी पब्लिकला वारंवार वॉर्न करत असते की आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल आज जर एअर ॲटमॉस्फेरिक एअर जर खूप पोल्युटेड झाली असेल तर त्याचा जो रेंज आहे ती रेंज सिस्टीमद्वारे आपल्याला कळते. सो डिस्पर्जन मॉडेलिंग इज नथिंग बट द modeling which check the dispersion of pollutant. Dispersion is nothing but the पसरणे, spread up. Dispersion is nothing but the spread of that pollutant. Okay, so fourth is nothing but the knowledge to analyze quality of air in the form of air quality index and dispersion modeling. Okay, so fifth one is basic information about noise and its control. Everyone very well knows about the know about the noise, what is noise, and it's and how it is harmful to the human health. Okay, so काही पार्ट आपल्याला नॉइज अँड इट्स कंट्रोलवर पण यामध्ये शिकायला भेटणार आहे. So last two units are basically based on the noise and its control. Okay, and also you have the practicals on this subject. That is first one is hands-on experience on sampling and measurement of air pollutants. Okay, so first पहिले तर एक तुम्हाला yes, so these are the course outcomes. Okay, to be after syllabus you have got these outcomes from this uh, course. Okay, so one by one we'll see the syllabus. So there are two sections in this syllabus. Okay, section 1 and section 2. Then section 1 has 3 units, unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Unit 3 and section 2 has 3 units also. Unit 4, unit 5 and unit 6. Okay, one by one you should note that point on your notebook also. Okay, we are in online mode, but you have to cover all these points in your notebook also. So I'll give you some time. So please write down it on your notebook. So section 1 contain the air pollution part. Okay, so you can see the unit 1 is based on introduction to air pollution, unit 2 based on pollutant dispersion, and unit 3 based on impacts of air pollution. Okay, so one by one we will see in details. Okay, so unit 1, introduction to air pollution. In this part there are several contents you will see. Okay, so first is air and its composition. So in this unit we will learn that air and its composition. Okay, how the air is formed and which gases are involved in this air, what its composition, how it's react to the human health. Okay, then second is structure of the atmosphere. Okay, how it forms, that is atmosphere, how it forms and what is the role of air in atmosphere. Okay, the structure of the atmosphere. Then third one is types of exposure. Okay, so types of exposure is nothing but the from where the air pollution occur. Okay, the sources of air pollution, origin of air pollution, origin of pollutants. Then air pollution, units of measurements. Okay, units of measurement of air pollution, sources of air pollution, that is the natural. In this sources of air pollution, we have to cover the natural and artificial sources, primary and secondary sources, point and non-point sources, then line and area, stationary and mobile sources. Okay, and its classification. Okay, so we have to cover all this part in just the sources of air pollution. Okay, so second one is major air pollutants. Major air pollutants and their characteristics. Okay, what is the major air pollutants? Okay, those pollutants which are responsible for uh, harmful the environment or harmful the air. Okay, that is nothing but the major air pollutants which are playing very important role to build, yeah, to become the environment pollute. Okay, then their characteristics. Specific group pollutants such as CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, and GHG, that is greenhouse gas effect. Okay, greenhouse gas, and there is air pollutants from various industrial sectors. Okay, air pollutants from various industrial sectors. Indoor air quality, odor pollution, and then impact of air pollution on human health, vegetation, aquatic life, flora and fauna, and monuments. Okay, what is meant by flora and fauna? Okay, it is related with the animals, that is with smallest means very म्हणजे खूप सूक्ष्म animals, आणि flora is nothing but the खूप छोटे छोटे plants वगैरे असतात ना ते plants and animals, but खूप छोटे plants and animals, and monuments and building, etc. Monuments like Taj Mahal, and buildings like high-rise building, residential buildings. Okay, monuments means historical buildings and historical monuments and buildings. So these are the contents of the first unit. Okay, so I'll give you the 5 minutes. So please write down it on your notebook. Whenever you come for the offline lectures, you should write all these things on your notebook first. Okay, I'll check that all this write up work on your notebook. So write down it on your notebook. Don't take it this subject is lightly, because you have also the oral exam of this subject. Okay, and based on all the information regarding the air pollution and noise pollution, you have to face the oral exam also. So don't take it as lightly that this subject is so easy, and we will cover in our home also. I know that you have that capability to cover that subject also, but don't take it as lightly. It is very important uh, from the civil engineering point of view. Everyone noted that point? Shall I go for the second unit? Okay. Then second unit is based on the pollutant dispersion. So in this subject, you have to learn about the concept of atmospheric stability. Then meteorology, I have explained in first slide what is meteorology. Then adiabatic and environmental lapse rate. Then plume behavior. What is meant by plume? We'll see in details in our lectures. Then effect of topography. Okay, so pollutant dispersion is nothing but the spreading of the pollutants throughout the atmosphere. Okay, so पहिली गोष्ट तर pollutant काय आहे हेच माहित नसते आपल्याला, ऑब्विसली काय माहिती राहणार ना. Pollutant is nothing but the harmful foreign materials which are responsible for environment becomes pollution. Okay, means जे ज्या पण गोष्टीमुळे पोल्युशन होतं त्या गोष्टीला काय म्हणतात आपण पोल्युटंट. ओके, ज्या फॉरेन मटेरियलमुळे पोल्युशन ऑकर होतं त्याला दिस इज नथिंग बट द पोल्युटंट. विल सी इन डिटेल्स इन अवर लेक्चर. ओके, सो पोल्युटंट डिस्पर्जन, त्यामध्ये आपण कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ॲटमॉस्फेरिक स्टॅबिलिटी शिकणार आहोत. ओके, सो ॲटमॉस्फेरिक स्टॅबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट द stable environmental or air condition. Then meteorology is nothing but the earth structure. Okay, then adiabatic and environmental lapse rate is related with the temperature rise and fall. Then plume behavior is nothing but the तुम्हाला चिमणी माहिती असेल. ओके, इंडस्ट्रीमधून जे पण वेस्ट मटेरियल बाहेर निघतात, ओके, ते कशाने निघतात? चिमणीद्वारे. आपण जनरली चिमणी म्हणतो त्याला, चिमणीद्वारे. दिस नथिंग बट द प्ल्यूम. ओके, त्याला काय म्हणते? तो धूर त्यातून निघतो, त्याचं बिहेवियर काय, किती अमाऊंट मध्ये तो धूर निघत आहे बाहेर, किती अमाऊंट मध्ये तो पोल्युटंट बाहेर फेकत आहे अॅटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द प्ल्यूम बिहेवियर. देन इफेक्ट ऑफ टोपोग्राफी, त्याचा इफेक्ट टोपोग्राफीवर काय होतो, टेरेनवर काय होतं, स्ट्रक्चर ऑन पोल्युटंट डिस्पर्जन. ओके, देन स्ट्रक्चर वर काय होतो ऑन पोल्युटंट डिस्पर्जन. ओके, सो विल सी in this unit 2. Then effect of wind on pollutant dispersion. Okay, so pollutant dispersion वर wind चा काय इफेक्ट. Okay, then concept of maximum mixing depth and ventilation coefficient. So we'll also cover that point in this unit, concept of maximum mixing depth and ventilation coefficient. Then wind rose diagram. Wind rose diagram we'll see in this unit. Then according to wind rose diagram, plume behavior, then plume rise and effective stack height. Effective stack height, that is stack height nothing but the जी चिमणी असते ना त्याची जी हाईट असते फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द स्टॅक हाईट. आणि आपल्याला ती इफेक्ट किती हाईट द्यायला पाहिजे जेणेकरून आपलं पोल्युटंट्स कमीत कमी ऍटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये जाईल, ते आपण शिकणार आहोत इफेक्टिव्ह स्टॅक हाईट मध्ये. ओके, second topic is air quality. Means unit 2 has the second topic air quality also. त्याच्यामध्ये introduction to air quality index. ओके, त्यामध्ये शिकणार आहोत आपण air quality index, then comprehensive environmental pollution index. Okay, so we have to cover air quality index and comprehensive environmental pollution index in air quality, then its application. Then sampling and measurement of air pollutants. Okay, so you should link this topic. Means we have given the syllabus with the link of one by one topic. ओके, आधी काय केलं आपण ऍटमॉस्फेरिक स्टॅबिलिटी बघितली, त्यानंतर एन्व्हायरमेंटल म्हणजे टेम्परेचर बघितलं, त्याचे इफेक्ट्स बघितले. ओके, त्यानंतर फ्लूम्स बिहेवियर, फ्लूम राईज बघितलं, त्यानंतर आपण आलो एअर क्वालिटीकडे. ओके, त्यामध्ये काय आधी तर एअर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स बघूया काय असते, त्यानंतर एन्व्हायरमेंटल पोल्युशन इंडेक्स आणि त्याचं अप्लिकेशन, सॅम्पलिंग अँड मेजरमेंट ऑफ एअर पोल्युशन. ओके, सॅम्पलिंग अँड एअर आधी ते कसे बिहेव करतात ते बघितलं, त्यानंतर आता आपल्याला बघायचं एअर पोल्युटंट्स कोणते आहे, त्यांचं मेजरमेंट. ओके, सो इंट्रोडक्शन टू नॅशनल अँबियंट एअर क्वालिटी स्टँडर्ड्स. Okay, so USA, these are the related with USA. Okay, USA has given national ambient air quality standards. We have to learn in this chapter. Okay, there are some standards given by the USA to control the air quality, to check out the air quality, and जसं आपल्याला आयएस कोड असतात ना तसे त्यांचे स्टँडर्ड्स असतात. ओके, देन थर्ड टॉपिक इज डिस्पर्जन मॉडेलिंग. ओके, so means unit 2 has the third topic, that is dispersion modeling. You need to cover the three topics. Okay, that is the first is concept of atmospheric, that is it is related with the pollutant dispersion, and second one is air quality, and third one is dispersion modeling. In dispersion modeling there are some mathematical modeling which are responsible for the uh, check out the amount of pollutants which are present in atmosphere. Okay, so in dispersion modeling, there are introduction to dispersion modeling, its applications and limitations, then introduction to Gaussian plume model and GLC determination. ओके, तर हे एक सगळे सिम्युलेशन मॉडेल्स दिलेले आहे याच्यामध्ये, ज्यामध्ये आपण शिकणार आहोत की हाऊ टू चेक द अमाउंट ऑफ पोल्युटंट्स प्रेझेंट इन द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. Okay, these are related with the unit 2. Then unit 3 related with that the impacts of air pollution. Okay, so we will cover two units. Unit 1 and first is given and the introduction of air pollution. Second one is related with the dispersion of pollutant, and third one is impacts of air pollution on human health. Okay, so in this unit 3 we have content that is extreme air pollution scenarios. Okay, so extreme air pollution scenarios, that is which are they? That is first one is acid rain, second one is global warming, third one is smoke, fourth one is ozone layer depletion, fifth one is urban heat islands, etc. Okay, these are the extreme air pollution scenarios, and why it is formed? Because there are certain harmful pollutants. Okay, there are certain chemical harmful pollutants which are present in the atmosphere, react chemically, and form this type of pollution scenario. Okay, we will see in this third unit how they are formed, that is acid rain, global warming, smoke, ozone layer depletion, why this is occur, why this is happen in this environment, that is, and urban heat islands, why urban islands has been hit. Okay, we will see this topic in this unit 3. Then various treaties and protocols. Okay, on the basis of these scenarios, there are so many protocols are given to this for the control of this air pollution. That is Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, etc. Episodes. Okay, we'll see this detail in this chapter. Then air sampling, analysis, and legislation. Legislation is nothing but the laws related to that air pollution. Okay, then air sampling and pollution measurement methods, principles, and instruments, ambient air quality, and emission standards. Then related with the air sampling and pollution measurement methods. Okay, so we have given the air sampling and pollution measurement methods in this chapter, and then that's related principles, that's related instruments, means how we detect the uh, various pollutants uh, through the instruments, that is the equipments regarding to the air sampling, then ambient air quality, emission standards. Okay, there are some important terms related with the air pollution. Okay, means when the air pollutants are mixed up with another harmful gases, another pollutants, they make some, they are responsible to make some air pollutions in air pollution, what it calls that terms. Okay, so aerosols, that is the one that fog, सगळ्यांनी ऐकलं असेल हे फॉग तर सगळ्यांनी ऐकलं असेल, स्मोक ऐकलं असेल काय असते, पण आपण कोणाला माहिती नसेल की ते का फॉर्म होतात. ओके, का बरं, म्हणजे ऍटमॉस्फिअर कंडिशन्स मध्ये असे काय गोष्टी घडतात जेणेकरून फॉग, स्मॉक पाहायला भेटतं आपल्याला, डस्ट पाहायला भेटतं, स्मोकिंग एन्व्हायरमेंट पाहायला मिळतं. ओके, सो these are nothing but the chemical reactions which are done in the atmospheric condition. Okay, so we will see this all the chapters in details in this unit 3. So that air prevention and control pollutions act. Okay, we'll see the air and its related prevention and control acts. Pollution Act and 1981 legislation and regulation. Okay, so in this lecture we have covered unit 3. Okay, unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Okay, that is the introduction of this part, and in our next lecture we will see the unit 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and also the introduction of air pollution. Okay, this is the break time. Okay, 12 to 1 now. We will meet at 1 o'clock. Thank you. And don't leave. Answer your roll calls first. Okay, one by one, fastly. Shankar Koda.
67.
Yeah, I know. 1 minute. 67, roll number. Kavenjali. Kavenjali.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number.
A10.
A10.
Yes, ma'am.
Tania.
A32.
Nandita.
Yes, ma'am.
Mandar. Mandar Misal. जर तुम्ही प्रेझेंट दिली ना तर मी कन्सिडर करेल. ओके, निंबाळकर.
Yes, ma'am.
स्वप्नील काकडे.
Yes, ma'am.
देन अँडसो फुल, काय नाव आहे याचं बरोबर? केदार.
Yes, ma'am.
सादिक अली.
Yes, ma'am.
भाग्यश्री भोग.
Present.
श्रद्धा चव्हाण.
प्रेझेंट.
आता कुणीतरी ऍड झालं. भोसले वैष्णवी.
प्रेझेंट मॅडम.
प्रणाली माने.
येस मॅम.
शैलेश चव्हाण.
Yes, ma'am.
शीतल ताटे. शीतल ताटे. Okay, there are only 70 students are present in my lecture. Okay, आता जर कोणी ऍड झालं असतील तर मी त्यांची प्रेझेंटी लावली नाहीये. Okay. We'll meet at 1 p.m. I hope. Thank you.